woman. What? It's like huge. What? Where's Leo?
Little buddy.
Look at Leo. How cute. Come on, Leo. Go, Leo. Yay! Go, Leo. He's trying. There he goes. It's gonna take him forever.
He's out. He's out.
Faster! Pedal, he's out. Pedal. Pedal. Good job. Where's Leo? He's over there. Go, Liam! Yeah! Good job! Faster, faster! I like your house. Oh, a picture? Sorry. Hi, guys. Bye.
No,
Whoa, 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 whoa.
por eso no nos dejamos subir
I want to shoot the pumpkin.
Eso no, nada más.
You want to shoot the pumpkin?
Yes.
I don't know.
I shoot a pumpkin. No, Papa. Yes. Go. Turn it. Turn it. You have to turn it.
Oh my Lord Jesus. Don't turn it too much. Oh my goodness.
Oh gosh.
Liam's gonna puke. I could. Liam, are you gonna puke?
A fairy tale.
No.
Pumpkin patch. Liam, wait. Train ride. You ready to get on the train? Yes, we are. Live music. Hi, Liam. Toot toot. Boop boop. Toot toot. Toot toot. Boop boop. Boop boop. Alex. Boop boop. Boop boop. So we went to the family farm, or Del Oso family farm. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. Like I did a little bit of video, and I took a lot of pictures with my camera. Like my phone, I should have just charged my phone, but my phone died on me, so I couldn't show you guys like or video like what I was like walking through and everything. It was just so much fun. My kids had fun, my sister's kids had fun, my brother's kids had fun, my parents had fun. We just, I give it a thumbs up. Hey guys, so I didn't get a chance to finish the video. They even had a haunted house, and we did that. We did like so many things. Like we got on in this tube and we like rolled. It was just so much fun. I wish I could have recorded. It was fun and hilarious. But I guess like